Hello everyone. Welcome to DigiFreeTools. Are you looking for free online tools that save time and work instantly in your browser? You're in the right place. Today, I'm introducing DigiFreeTools, your all-in-one destination for powerful and completely free online tools. No downloads. No registration. Just open the website and start using the tools instantly. Whether you're a student, developer, designer, blogger, SEO expert, business owner, or everyday internet user, DigiFreeTools has something for you. Our website includes useful calculator tools like age calculator, BMI calculator, loan calculator, mortgage calculator, compound interest calculator, salary calculator, percentage calculator, distance calculator, and many more. Need image or PDF tools? You can convert JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG, JPG to WebP, HEIC to JPG, compress images, resize images, optimize images, convert images to PDF, extract PDF pages, and much more. For developers and SEO professionals, we provide JSON formatter, password generator, QR code generator, meta tags generator, XML sitemap generator, robots.txt generator, slug generator, and URL encoder and decoder. You'll also find text tools like word counter, character counter, text cleaner, text sorter, remove duplicate lines, and markdown editor. Business users can create invoices, receipts, quotations, calculate profits, discounts, generate barcodes, and much more. Every tool is fast, secure, mobile-friendly, and works directly in your browser. Your files stay on your device, helping protect your privacy. Our mission is simple: provide free, reliable, and easy-to-use online tools for everyone. Visit us today at digifreetools.com and explore our growing collection of free online tools. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.